Mars.
Hey, boy, don't you ever threaten TMR, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna call out the whole track, goddammit.
Good racer of the year. National good racer of the year. Yeah, I got you, Trigger. I got you, Trigger.
Oh, yeah.
Talk to me now. I know you got a grudge race tomorrow, Friday, right?
Yeah, tomorrow, 7 o'clock.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be just like a test pass, you know?
Yeah.
You know, we're gonna show these boys, you know, we're gonna try to make Backstabber, you know what I mean, run through the 484 class.
Yeah.
Same way like Keisha ran through the all steel, all glass class last year.
There it is.
2022, they got hell on their hands.
Oh, yeah.
And this just the beginning. JR Gray, that was just a little appetizer, you know what I'm saying? Everybody
Yeah.
thought we was the underdog, but really and truly, we was the top dog.
No, he got the back. He got the back. No, hey. He got the back. Now, he got the back. He got the back. Hey, he got the back. He got the front. He got the front. Hey,
Hey, that was smart. He got out of there. Hey, he got out of there. That was smart. That was real smart. Yeah.
Backstabber with the win, y'all.
Yes, sir. Ain't win like that, cuz. Wait. Night, night. That's right. 2-0. Yeah. Can't win like that, cuz. He had the quickie finger. He had the quickie finger, y'all. To the no, 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 hell no, hell no, to the no, no, hell no, to the no, 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 hell no, to the no, no, no. We moving on up like the Jeffersons say, y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. We like the Jeffersons, baby. Moving on up. I bet the people confused on that one. Go out there and get the mic, and I hope Willie Dog, being the godfather of grudge racing, I hope he told the people that Frankie was a little bit quicker on that tree. 2-0, I told him. Backstabber, baby. The backstabber. Hey, Frankie knew he had to get out of there.
Backstabber still in it, y'all. Yeah. Yeah.
When it come to TMR, ain't nobody on the property or the world been out counting us out. You gotta do what you gotta do, or even more. Or the same thing will happen with having a JR.
Hello, everybody.
YouTube channel, if y'all like and subscribe it, like I say, we're trying to get that going. It's TMR Triggerman 2022. That's TMR TRIGGAMAN 2022.
There it is, y'all.
And like I said, we got on Facebook, y'all can follow the Triggerman Racing page on Facebook too. Like I say, I'll be going live, you know, from weekend to weekend off of that page sometimes, you know, when I get a break and stuff like that. Where you go?
Wait, across that
Where you cross country?
Whenever I drove,
Oh yeah, you remember that now?
You got it. Don't give a damn.
All right, go get the Cadillac.
Oh,
look at that, you want to get the Cadillac. Go get the Impala.
No, we want your car. Fuck that.
No.
Yeah.
I'll send him in
let
there.
Impala?
I'll send him in there.
Listen to me.
You want me to put him in there?
But if we do it, I got to call Ryan back Ryan there and tell him to turn that motherfucker up.
Hey, call Ryan. Call Ryan. You need my phone? Hold on, where my phone at? Where my phone? Give me my phone. Please. Hey.
Lord have mercy. Hey, boy, don't you ever threaten TMR, boy. And let me ask you a question. What you think about these stupid son of a bitch on the other side, the grudging side, comparing ABP to TMR? What you got to say about that? Ain't no comparison. All right, thank you. Say no more. What are the ABP members at? Them stupid son of a bitches that hold up a belt like they shot. Boy, what the fuck wrong with them?
That's a cartoon belt.
Yeah, that's a cartoon. That's a goddamn Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck. Buzz Bunny and Daffy Duck, man. Mario, damn.
Cartoon belt.
Man, this bitch is crazy, man. Man, there's something wrong with you.
Mario.
You can't be crazy.
When that son of a bitch.
I
up down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna call out the whole track, goddammit. What's wrong with you? But like I said, man, June, second weekend in June.
Okay.
Medication. We'll be right back out there at the same spot we was at, South Carolina Motorplex, June the 10th and 11th.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's going to be a no medication event. Like I said, it's going to be some of the heavy hitter boys that'll be in the house. I plan on knocking them out one by one. But like I say, I appreciate you forever, girls, what you do for the game. Like I say, man, good interview.
Appreciate it, Trick.
Next race, no matter where's that, you better have your ass there with that.